Why buy a MiCut machine? Locally built, price, serviceability, local support, great product. Yeah, what else can we say about it? Yeah, you get all the features of a very large machine in something so small and compact. It's a water table machine for the reduction of fumes and dust. It's a small footprint, takes up very little space in the workshop. Ergonomic. It's the table is it's a small scale table, so it's easy to reach across and pick anything up. You're working at a good height. This is the table for the mainly designed for TAFEs and training institutions. We do the next size up, which is for your standard 12 by 24 sheets.
Yeah, the MeltView camera is used for monitoring the weld pool. It can be good for OH&S reasons to keep the operator away from the arc and the fumes. It can be also used for tracking a seam. We can view the weld from a distance. We're demonstrating the CMT advanced process on a Fronius automation tractor with a MeltView camera monitoring the weld. We've just got a sample set up here, 2mm lap joint, welding a gap to no gap. So it's all ready to go. I'll close the box, position the wire into position. We've also got documentation for Fronius Explorer over there, recording the parameters as we go. Start. And there's the weld. Bridges the gap on one side and welds to the other. So there it is. It's a good quality camera and monitoring system at a reasonable price compared to competitor cameras.